Be honest, you train hard, you try to eat better. So why does your body still look the same? It might not be your workout, it might not be your diet, it's your phone. And yeah, this sounds crazy, but stay with me. Section 1. The hidden problem. Most people spend 6 to 8 hours a day on their phone. Scrolling, notifications, short videos, constant dopamine hits. Your brain is always on. And when your brain never rests, your body never recovers. High dopamine equals poor focus. Poor focus equals bad training. Bad training equals no progress. But it gets worse. Section 2. How it kills fat loss and muscle. Late night scrolling destroys sleep. Less sleep means higher cortisol, lower testosterone, worse insulin sensitivity. Translation: you store more fat, you build less muscle, you feel tired all the time. Even if your workouts are perfect, your hormones are fighting against you. You can't outtrain a nervous system that's overstimulated. Section 3. The simple fix. You don't need to delete social media. You don't need to live like a monk. Just do this. No phone 60 minutes before bed. Sunlight in the morning. Train without distractions. That's it. When your brain calms down, your body finally responds. Ending micey drop. Fitness isn't just what you lift. It's what you expose your mind to daily. Control that, and your body will follow.